Hello students, this is a must-watch video for those who have cleared their 12th class and are interested in pursuing a Bachelor's of Business Administration. This video details the top 5 BBA entrance exams that you must take this year. BBA is an undergraduate program degree of 3 years that aims to lay a foundation of management principles, techniques, and know-how. Let's proceed to check out some of the popular BBA entrance exams taken by thousands of management aspirants every year. DUJAT. About the exam. Delhi University Joint Admission Test, popularly known as DUJAT, is a national level entrance exam conducted by Delhi University. Eligibility criteria. You must have appeared or cleared 10+2 with 60% marks in 4 papers, including English and 3 other subjects. Number of questions. A total of 100 questions will be asked. Duration. The exam duration is 120 minutes. Sections. The questions will be asked from sections like quantitative ability, reasoning and analytical ability, general English, business and journal awareness. How to apply? Interested candidates can apply in online mode at the official website of Delhi University, that is ug.du.ac.in. Application fee. Unreserved and OBC candidates have to pay Rs 250 and SC, ST, PWBD and EWS candidates have to pay Rs 100. Exam date. The first week of September tentatively. Top 5 colleges accepting DUJAT scope: Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, Delhi; Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, New Delhi; Shahid Rajguru College of Applied Science for Women, Delhi; Bhim Rao Ambedkar College, New Delhi; Sri Guru Nanak Dev Khalsa College, New Delhi. GGSIPU said BBA. About the exam. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University Common Entrance Test BBA, commonly known as GGSIPU said BBA, conducted by Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, is a university-level entrance exam. Eligibility criteria. To stand eligible for this exam, you need to appear or clear 10+2 with 50% aggregate marks and passed in English. Number of questions. There will be a total of 150 questions. Duration. The duration will be of 150 minutes. Sections. Questions will be asked from sections like English language and comprehension, general awareness, logical and analytical ability, aptitude relating to the field of management, and for communication skills. How to apply? To appear for GGSIPU said BBA exam, you need to visit the official website, which is ipu.ac.in, to apply. The application fee is Rs 1200. Exam date. Second week of September tentatively. Top 5 colleges accepting GGSIPU said BBA score: Maharaja Surajmal Institute, Janakpuri; Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Management Studies, Rohini; Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies, Pitampura; Jagannath International Management School, Vasant Kunj; Jagannath Institute of Management Studies, Rohini. NPAT BBA. About the exam. NMIMS Program After 12th NPAT is a national level exam conducted by Narsi Monjay Institute of Management Studies, NMIMS. Eligibility criteria. In order to appear for the exam, the candidates must have appeared or cleared 10+2 in the first attempt with 60% aggregate and should not be more than 25 years of age. Number of questions. A total number of 120 questions will be asked. Duration. The exam will be of 120 minutes. Sections. Questions from sections like proficiency in English language, quantitative and numerical ability, and reasoning and general intelligence will be asked. How to apply? You can apply for the NPAT BBA exam in online mode from the official website, which is npat.in. Application fee. You need to pay an application fee of Rs 1800. Exam date. NPAT BBA 2021 will be conducted on 3 days: June 27, July 2, and July 3. Top colleges accepting NPAT BBA score: Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce at Mumbai, Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, and Indore campuses. SET BBA. About the exam. Symbiosis Entrance Test (SET) is a national level entrance exam conducted by Symbiosis International Deemed University. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for this exam, you need to appear or clear 10+2 with 50% aggregate marks. Number of questions. You will be asked a total of 150 questions. Duration. The duration of the exam is 150 minutes. Sections. Questions will be asked from sections like General English, General Awareness, Current Affairs, Quantitative, Analytical and Logical Reasoning. How to apply? Apply for SET BBA in online mode from the official website, which is settest.org. Application fee. You need to pay an application fee of Rs 1750. Exam date. The exam dates of SET BBA are July 10 to July 13. Top colleges accepting SET BBA score: SICSR Pune, SEMS Pune and Noida, SLS Pune, Noida and Hyderabad. UJAT BBA. About the exam. Undergraduate Aptitude Test (UJAT) is a standardized national level test administered by the All India Management Association (IMA). Eligibility criteria: you must have completed or should be in 10+2 to be eligible for this exam. Number of questions: you will be asked a total of 120 questions. Duration: the exam will be conducted for 120 minutes. Sections: questions will be asked from sections such as general knowledge, reasoning and intelligence, numerical and data analysis, and English language. How to apply? You can apply for UJAT PBA in online mode at the official website ima.in. Application fee: you need to pay an application fee of ₹750 via debit, credit card, or net banking, or by drawing a demand draft. Exam date: UJAT will be conducted in two modes, PBT and IBT. IBT1 and PBT will be conducted on July 4 and IBT2 will be conducted on July 11. Top 5 colleges accepting UJAT BBA score: Geetham Institute of Management, ITM University, Ahmedabad University, Master School of Management, OP Jindal University.